Hi everyone out there, this is Mitch with Denny's Auto and welcome to another edition of D.A.M.N. Today I am here with more of highly vetted professionals, part of the Blue Collar Connect group in Salt Lake. As you know me, I hope you know me anyway, we are your automotive repair and maintenance specialists. I'm going to kick it back to Tracey and she is going to introduce herself and what she does and what she's gotten out of Blue Collar Connect.
Hey everyone, glad to be here. My name is Tracey Anderson. I own Quick Quality Plumbing and we plumb. What I have gotten out of Blue Collar Connect, I don't even know where to begin. First of all, friendships, networking, education like you wouldn't even imagine. It is such a great group knowing that I can basically recommend any one of these individuals and so many more, knowing that they are highly vetted, that they're amazing at their trade, they know what they're doing, and above all, they're just simply good humans.
I'm Marina with Salt City Renovations. Everything Tracey said. But in addition to that, I couldn't have even imagined being surrounded by so many people that truly want to see everybody else succeed. I didn't think that existed. So that's my biggest thing that I've gotten from Blue Collar is just a most amazing group of people.
Hi, I'm Dana with Busy Bee Windshields. We do auto glass, chip repair, and full replacements. And what can I say about Blue Collar? Just look at the people around me. They are amazing. Blue Collar, like Tracey said, the education, how to grow your business, how to overcome some of the challenges in your business, giving you ideas that you never even thought about. But most of all, it's the friendships, it's the support. It's just amazing. So I love Blue Collar.
Hey guys, I'm Damariez and I'm with 660. And well, dang, I mean, to keep it short, who runs the world? Girls. And that's exactly what you get at Blue Collar. I mean, it's amazing the support that you have as a female in a trade where it's male dominated. It's amazing. I mean, Blue Collar is just something else for everybody. Sorry, guys. That's work. That's what Blue Collar will do for you.
I'm Josh Minton, owner of 660 Graphix and Wraps. And I don't know what I could say about Blue Collar because I started out going to lunch on Fridays and I was hooked. It's like crack cocaine, I think. I guess crack and cocaine are two different things, but they both give you a high. And that's what Blue Collar does for us. And what we do for Blue Collar is make them stand out and be busy. So we wrap cars and help businesses grow and stand out with their marketing and design.
Thank you everyone for sticking around for all these introductions. Like I said, we are part of Blue Collar Connect. If you want to get to know these professionals and these hilarious individuals behind me, come hang out with us at About Time in Sandy. Fridays at noon is our lunch hour. Swing by and say hi, have a drink, have a Coke, have some lunch, hang out and learn about us. Thank you.